Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the storage full message on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. In case your storage is full, we can empty it by removing or erasing some temporary files. To do so, press the gear button, go to All Settings menu. Then in All Settings menu, let's navigate down to the System menu, and in System menu select Storage. Now here select Free Up Storage. Wait until the cache is calculated and select Clear Cache. Then OK. And this will clear cache of all applications on your TV and will clear a significant amount of storage, especially if you have been using this TV for a while. You can also go to Uninstall Apps and open the list of applications, and then select some applications that you don't need. Select Uninstall, OK. And this way you can also free up some storage on your TV. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.